Live? Hello? Test. Okay, we're live. Same here. Let's go live. Alright, we should be good. Alright. We are live everywhere. We are live. Alrighty. Oh, market is pushing already. That's what we don't want to see. This is just gonna ruin the setups here. Or it's gonna make it harder for me to get a setup here then. But we're gonna see. And we still have 8 minutes. Yep, everything pushing except RTY. Let me get something done real quick. I'm just gonna use the restroom. Be right back. Or the open here. Hey Sean, good morning. Good morning. How's it going? How was your... Did you trade yesterday? I didn't trade. Yeah, I was watching someone. Like, it actually moved a little bit. Actually more than I expected. But I'm not a fan on trading on these days. With like a holiday. Okay, we have 3 minutes here. And you're gonna take the open trade on the YM, or what you're gonna do? Yesterday, no. Okay. Well, a couple people traded. Also, what's his name? Trades by Matt. I saw that he traded. At least he posted like a recap. It was tradable, but for not. Yeah, same here. From the past, I learned usually it's the best to just take the day off. Because the market moves weird. It's just funny to see that it started moving at right at the open at 9:30, but there's nothing really that opened up at this time. So because the stock market was close, it's interesting to see. Yeah, well, today we're pushing. We're just pushing higher here. Well, this is just ruining my setups. This is ruining my setups. Yo, Billionaire Lifestyle, how are you doing? Good to see you. Just waiting for the open here. I mean, everything already pushed too hard. The only thing that I could trade is the Russell 30Y. Everything is just pushed way too hard. You're fine, nice. From Russia. Oh, good to see you. What can you trade if you're from Russia? Is there any restrictions? Which city? Which city do you live in? Already 40 seconds to go. I've never been to Russia. Never been. Might be a little bit too cold for me. But how's life over there? Like, Do you have a lot of issues right now because of the current situation? Like you have less access to platforms and stuff like that, or is it pretty much the same? Well, there goes our setup. Can trade that. It's already open. All right, here we go. Well, this just screwed us. Completely screwed us here. No. I mean, you can access it like, I mean, obviously you're on YouTube, but there's the other issues right now. Like you can't use certain platforms like Instagram or something. Hey Leslie, how are you? Ooh, this just ruined the setup. Just ruined it. Sean, did you take something? Open trade or no? Mm-mm-mm. You liked and subscribed. Hey, I appreciate that. Appreciate it. Hope you're gonna be green on the day. I mean, we just usually I like to trade right on the open, but today it was just no setup because we moved already before the market even opened. So not that good. EMA. You mean the values of the? I mean it's SMA, but I mean it doesn't really matter too much. The purple one is 120, and the teal one is 40. But I don't really look too much on them. They're just to confirm the trend, but I mean, pretty much you can just get the trend by looking at the chart. Well, no setup. Oh. Haven't had this in a while. Usually on the open we have at least one setup that we can take. Hmm. But yeah, just gotta be careful today with all the things going on in the world right now. You never know. You trade Bitcoin? Yeah, I never traded crypto. Never tried that. It's futures. We're on futures here. What a weird open. Just nothing for me. Just nothing that we can take. Oh, we just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. I mean, right now, to be honest, the cleanest is the NQ, the Nasdaq. It's the only one that is holding somehow, at least a little bit. Hey Juna, how's it going? Vlog impression. I want to be with the trend. So right now we're looking for longs because we have trending, and I like to look for pullbacks and breakouts. That's usually what I look for. So really simple. And it's more likely scalping. So we look for small targets and look for the next trade. Juna, have you been in Russia? Have you been in Russia the last couple of days? Oh, you're trading gold? Damn, all right. Might, can't really, should we do it? All right, we're in here on NQ. See if we get the scalp into the previous high, into this wick. Okay. There we go. I told you, no, I saw it on your Twitter. I saw it on your Twitter. I wasn't sure if it's like from the last couple days or is it from like a while ago. But I saw it. Alrighty. To be honest, this would have been the better entry. But I mean, also didn't really break out. But we take that. Good job. I appreciate it. I mean, this is the most important account because let me move that. This one is above the safety net. So now we can actually start building the account and building more drawdown. So right now we're up 2,900. So our drawdown is at 2,900 as well now, which is good. Or 2,800. But yeah, we're building the account. See if we get another setup on the other accounts. Usually I try to take one setup and then just switch the account. I live in Russia. Yeah, Juna just visited it. Oh, where in Russia? Where in Russia do you live? Juna, where have you been? Was it in St. Petersburg? Or was it somewhere else? How long have you traded? I started 2020 or 2019. But I just started with stocks. So I just bought stocks and hold them for long term. So not really trading. And then I traded CFDs, which was gold and no, it was oil and gas mainly. And then somehow I found the futures and then I switched to futures. That's already a couple of years. But we're still struggling here, especially with the mental capacity. I have to work on my mentality. Struggle with walking away when I have a red day. I was thinking about taking it here. It would have worked. In Krasnodar. Krasnodar. I have no idea where it is. I have no idea. No idea. No, you went back to a real account? Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm also planning on doing in the future. I mean, you can always copy trade the prop firms with the real account. So. Weird market here today. Okay, we might get a setup here. Okay, we're in on the ES. See if we can break this previous high. Just gonna look for our scalp here. Once we break this previous wick, we could see a spike here. Okay, we're in profit. A good first reaction. Just scalping this a little bit. Still holding in profit, but I just want that it goes in the next couple seconds. Let's actually move this a little bit higher here. Yeah, we got the night bot. I set it up. All right, that's a good spike. If I didn't move my target there, we would have been in profit and already out. Just a tick away there. Got this little spike, but didn't really continue. Oh, gotta be careful. Okay, back into profit. Okay, here's another spike. Can you add games in Nightbot? I have no idea. Okay, we're looking for 3 points here. Actually moved it a little bit too high. Usually I want to take like 2.5. Yeah, it's getting slower. Not what you want to see. Yeah. I think I just moved it a little bit too high there. I mean, we definitely got our scalp there, our target, but now we might see a pullback. Well, I don't really give out my number, so can't really do that. I mean, you can just join the Discord, but I won't give out my personal number. But feel free to join the Discord. The link's in the description as well. Okay, we're still holding here. I mean, we had our reaction. We probably just missed the exit there. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get stopped now. Gonna move my stop a little bit closer at least. Oh, the Discord command doesn't work. Ooh, how do I set that up? I thought I set it up. Oh, I have no idea. Oh, you got it? Yeah, it should be still in the chat. But feel free to join it. Okay, we're still in, but we really have to bounce here now. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop a little bit closer, just below this wick. Back into profit. Okay, here's a spike. Just need these last couple ticks. Okay, momentum is increasing. Really close to our target. What a weird trade. Could be still stopped here. She's moving really weird today. Okay, another spike. Well, it doesn't want to do this last tick, I guess. Oh, we're getting some volatility. No, going lower. Yep, it doesn't want to do it. Doesn't want to do it. There we go, and we're stopped. That is annoying. That is annoying. But nothing what we can do. Yeah, I was thinking with the last spike, maybe I just take it off, but I don't know if that's worth it taking off. Yep, we got stopped tuna. The market moves so weird today. Maybe a lot of people taking off today. I mean, yesterday was a holiday, so looking for a long weekend. Let's see if we made the right decision. I mean, my initial stop was below here. So let's see. Okay, I would have been stopped out anyway, so good that we moved it. Let's go back to RTY. That's looking good now. We're downtrending right now. We broke this level and we had a pullback, so might get an entry here. Just has to close strong below the level. Okay, 5 seconds to go. All right, I'm gonna take the short here. And we close below the level. Let's see if we can continue lower here. All right, and stop is like 3 points and target as well. This is gonna be the last trade on this account. And then we're gonna switch to the other one. Okay, good reaction here. Just hope we're gonna continue. Just gonna let it play out here. Halfway there. Okay, still going lower. Up 170, 180. 1 point away. Everything else is selling off as well, so hope we're fine. No, we're not trading SPY. This is the RTY. Okay, getting closer there to our target. Let's see if we can get it this time. Everything else is selling off. Missed us by a tick there. Oh, don't do that today. Don't do the miss by a tick. Oh my god, are you kidding me? That was actually a tick away again. It was actually at our target. It just didn't trigger. Our target is 33.7, and you can see the low was 33.7. So it actually hit our target, but it didn't trigger. That is annoying. Well, this is the stuff that gets me tilted. So if I get stopped now. But we shall see. Yeah, I wonder why sometimes it just needs to hit the exact level where your target is and you get stopped or it hits UTP. And sometimes it hits the exact same level, but it doesn't get triggered. I wonder what it is. And we're still holding here in profit. Yeah, it was a bit unlucky. I mean, you can't blame the market, you know. Don't want to blame it on the market. I'm the one who clicks the button, but it's just a bit unfortunate. Let's say it like this. If we get stopped now. If we get stopped. If we still hit our target, I don't care. But if we get stopped here, this would be annoying. This is trading. That's how it goes. I mean, we're on a sim account. You know, they are funded accounts, but it's not in a live environment. Even if it's funded accounts, it's still sim. So there's no market makers. But yep, now we might get stopped. I appreciate that. The damn market makers. They after me. They after the sim money. Is the opening range marked correctly? Oh no, I didn't mark it yet. I mean, I also wouldn't take it on the RTY. I always took the 15-minute on the NQ. It's a pretty important trade here. I mean, if we hit the target, we basically break even on the day on this account. But if we have a loss here, it's going to be quite a big red day. Okay, back into profit. Hey, Musab, how are you? It's just we had this initial spike and you saw there's some volatility, some momentum coming in, but now after we pulled back, it's just kind of killed it. What's up, Cham? Yeah, all the buyers are stepping in again. Not a fan of it. That's why sometimes it's just better if you place that trade to just walk away. You set your target and you're stopped, and sometimes just you gotta walk away. Now it's starting to look like we're gonna go higher again. Give $500. Well, no one is giving me $500, so unfortunately I'm not in a position to give away $500. Do you use level 2? No. Just what you see on the stream. This is all what I use. There's nothing else that I'm hiding or something. Man, literally, it didn't even miss us by a tick. It was just on it, on our target, and turned. That ain't right. Let's see if it does it the same with our stop. It's just gonna miss our stop. Always wins long. I don't know. I think for me it's pretty 50-50. Yeah, that's annoying. On the first trade, I just moved the target a little bit too high as well, and now this was just on our target and didn't trigger. So it could have been a pretty decent day. Yeah, we still have one account to trade. If we make progress on 2 accounts and we have a loss on 1, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I could have moved it into profit to stop, I guess. But never know. There we go. Now we're gonna get stopped. Gold. I mean, I haven't traded gold in a long time. Imagine if this just misses my stop loss by a tick now and actually works out. Let's see. Yeah, market moves pretty weird. Now I should reverse. Man, it's just playing with my emotions, with my feelings. Look, this is gonna give me hope now again, and then it's gonna turn higher. That's what it always does. Okay, where was this one? It was actually 1 tick away from my stop. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can actually go lower again. I mean, NQ is selling off, ES is selling off. Just RTY is holding right now. It didn't miss the target by a tick. That's the thing. It was on it. It was right on it. It just didn't trigger. I don't know. Because this one was, you see the L, like the low, is 33.7. And this is exactly our target. So it's so weird. Man, this thing is just playing with my feelings. Look, it gave me some hope just to hit my stop anyways. Oh, volatility coming in. What's going on? Oh, one little spike and we're out. It just has to drop right now. Okay, it missed us again, but it's a... Oh, Jesus, what a trade. This is so hard to watch. I mean, just take me out already. There we go. All right, we still have one account. I mean, this is pretty annoying here, the loss. Just messed it up here. But what can we do? Let's see if we get another setup for this one here. Yeah, market is a little bit weird today. Pretty slow. Pretty slow. What are the stocks doing? Well, at least my stocks are up for the day. XRP. Oh, I don't even know what that is, to be honest. What is XRP, Ryan? Is it crypto or what is it? It's not a crypto, right? Or is it? I mean, I've heard it before, but I never looked into it. So I can't really tell you. I mean, I'm just trading futures. Bitcoin's worst nightmare, alright. Let's switch over to the NQ for now. Just, I don't know. It's gonna be hard to find a setup here, to be honest. But right, it is a Bitcoin. It's not a Bitcoin. It's a crypto then, right? Some form of crypto. What should we do? Should we just YOLO along? I don't know. I don't know. That's a crypto, alright. Well, I never bought crypto. I tried to do it in the past, but it just looked so difficult for me. Setting up this wallet, etc. I just didn't do it. Just long. I don't know. Don't know. Okay, I took another one. Oh, you can't even see it. Let me change it for you. Let me change that for you real quick. Where is it? Oh my god, I missed my target again. Oh boy, it's thin ice here. We're gonna start to overtrade any second. Oh boy, that's not good. That is not good. Well, Juna, I don't know, I might be cooked. See if we can test this low again. But yeah, I mean, pretty much if we have a loss here, I mean, our drawdown isn't that big anymore, so I think at one point we just have to YOLO it, I guess. Just gotta YOLO it. Let's hope it just works out, and then we will trade the other account. I'm gonna switch it. I mean, the thing is, I'm banned on Apex now, so I can't get any new accounts. So if we blow these accounts, I will never get any funded accounts with them again, which would be sad. So let's hope we can actually keep them. All right, let me refill my water. Let this just play out, and we will see. Oh, we're still in. We're still in. Let's see if we can get our target this time. Let's see if we can get it. Well, not looking too good. We got a couple points of profit, but I don't know. Well, if we have a loss here, we're gonna switch to tilt mode, and we're just gonna go on Nasdaq and try to make the money back, at least a little bit. Yeah, at one point it's just hard to recover it if there's not much drawdown left. Well, I thought we were gonna test these lows again. Can you even see it? How is it on the stream? Oh yeah, it should be big enough, right? I mean, I can zoom a little bit so that you see better. Not looking too good here. I mean, everything else is selling off, but you never know. Never know. Wow, what a struggle today. All started with one mistake, and then a series of unlucky events. Mm-mm-mm. I thought M&Q and traded GC with bigger SL. Oh no. Was it your own personal account or is it a funded account or eval? I mean, this happened to my Phidias account, if you remember. I was in 2 contracts with 500 drawdown and I thought it's M&Q, but I was actually on NQ. So I blew the account in like not even a couple of seconds. Oh, on the Phidias Eva, yeah. Well, if it's a fresh one, it's not much drawdown you can work with. Right market. I mean, I'm not a fan of what we're doing here. I hate to say it, but 180 left. Good luck. Good luck. All right. I mean, it doesn't look like we're going lower, but maybe if we have a good drop. You want a short? Well, me too. It doesn't look good for us. I mean, 5 points on the RGY is just, it is so far away. It's crazy. All right. Getting a reaction here. Let's hope it's not a fake out. Hope it's not a fake out. How much drawdown left? I think if we have a loss here, like 1100. Because we also had a loss on Wednesday. On Wednesday I had a loss, and I was also in profit first, so the drawdown went higher, but I couldn't take the target, and then it stopped me out. So yeah, we don't have much drawdown left. That's what I said at one point. We just gotta just have to switch to NQ and do the good old hope and pray strategy. This could have been so much easier today. If I just didn't miss up the target in the first trade, we would have been out with 250 in profit, and that's usually where I call it for the account. And then of course the second trade, you saw that was a bit unlucky that we didn't get our target triggered. But yeah, I mean, can't blame it on the market. This is just how trading goes. That's just how it goes. I mean, if we have like a $200-300 loss on the day, that's completely fine for me. It's just already 700. And if we have a loss here, it's going to be almost like 1,000 down on the day. It's just hard to recover these accounts then. And this is going to be my last Apex run anyways. Like I said, they banned me, unfortunately. Not allowed to get new accounts. Just completely slowed down here. That's what you don't want to happen when you're in a trade. But yeah, in case we get like 2.5 points in profit, this is half of what we're looking for here. I'm gonna move it break even if we ever get there. But if not, if we have a loss here, we're just gonna go tilt mode and we're gonna go on NQ and start being really aggressive. It's not gonna be pretty. We might lose the account, but it is what it is. What a long trade here. Usually with the momentum on the open, it's way faster. It either works or it doesn't. But it's rare that we get trapped in a trade like that. All right, another spike lower. Hey Mozzie, how are you? And this is usually where I struggle the most, because if it goes like from red to green and back and forth, this is where I struggle, because then you start thinking, okay, should I just close it in profit, take a little bit at least? Should I move my stop? Should I let it play out? This is where I get so many thoughts in my head. But if we take profit now and then it goes lower to our target, I'm going to be pissed that I took it off. But if we get stopped now, you could argue that would have been better if I take my target, my profit. And you know, we're on RTY right now. We're on RTY. But I trade NQ. I mean, I have everything else open as well. Just we found a setup here. Like I look for pullbacks and with the trend. This was an entry for me. It's not looking good today on this account. I'm not doing too well. But yeah, if we have a loss here, we're going to switch over to NQ. So in case we blow the account, at least you can see it. You have some entertainment. But yeah, it's not... Let's hope we're just gonna get our target here. It's just the fact that it's holding here for so long, and we always have these little spikes lower, but there's never continuation. It's not what we want to see. Yeah, I think it's just because yesterday was holiday. I think a lot of people took off today, so it's way slower. Like usually I don't mind trading on a Friday. But yesterday with the holiday, I think it messed it up. Like the market moves really slow today. Especially the RTY. RTY always moves a little bit slower than the other ones. But man, today this is like watching paint dry. Alright, all the other ones are spiking lower, NQ is going lower. ES is going lower. Let's see if RTY can follow. Do you guys know if there's any press conference today? Anything planned about the situation in Israel and Iran? Is there anything planned? Because if Trump is talking at one point or tweeting, it's definitely gonna impact the market. We just need one good wick here, taking out these previous, one good candle, taking out the wicks. Maybe now? Oh no, he's gonna talk in 30 minutes. I mean, if this continues, I'm still gonna be stuck in this in 30 minutes. Once we get like to 36 and a little bit lower, I'm gonna move it to break even probably. All right, everything's selling off. Let's see if we can follow here on the RTY. Man, such a good setup on the NQ right now. All right, getting some volatility. Okay, I'm gonna move this. I don't know if I should move it break even. Don't want to get wicked out. Okay, let's move it a little bit closer here. But that's a good reaction. That's what we want to see. Everything else is selling off as well. So let's see if we can go lower. Damn, the setup on the NQ worked out so perfectly. The same on the ES. Okay, let's see if we get our 5 points here. Okay, spiking lower. All right, there we go. Hey, there we go. There we go. Man, what an unlucky day, huh? I mean, the first trade, we should have taken our profit. I don't know why I moved my target so far away. Could have been out the first trade, 250 up. Then the second trade, it was right on our target, didn't trigger. And this one worked out pretty well. Okay. Well, we got to keep the account for another day at least. I mean, we still have the other account to trade. But yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna get a setup now because this was pretty much what I looked for. It was a pretty nice. But with the trend, we're going sideways for a little bit and then a breakout, and see what we do here. Man. What happened? I don't know. Maybe some missiles hitting, or I don't know. It's so hard to say in the current situation. You never know. What's your strategy? I always want to be with the trend, and I look for momentum and breakouts. So pretty much this one here, this would have been my entry, but we were stuck in the other trade. But yeah, we were with the trend here, at least in the lower time frame, we're going down. Then we're going sideways, and then we have this strong candle with momentum that's breaking out, and then it just goes. Sean, are you in a trade or something? Did you take something? No. But yeah, this definitely helped. Definitely helped. Just the issue that we had a loss on Wednesday. So with wait, is it 2200? No. It's a 1900 or 1800 drawdown left. Still not too much. All right, now we're pulling back. The 15-minute orb. Ooh, where is it even? Let me check. Oh, it's still far away, right? Oh yeah, it's a it's a long way to go. Friday and Saturdays, I should. I mean, Saturdays you can trade the futures. But usually, like I said, I never have an issue on Fridays. It's just because yesterday was holiday. I think this impacts the market a lot. Today's super slow. Yeah, pulling back here. And maybe a retest of this level and another short. I would still like to get a trade here on the other account that is missing. I hope everyone else is green. Like and sub, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Jesus, it took me a second. Well, I don't know, man. The life is tough. Life is tough. Keep polishing it. You got this. Jesus Christ. Well, who wants to be a doctor, anyways, right? We're gonna go lower here. hope Monday we're gonna be back to normal markets. I mean, this is just so weird today. Okay, let's see if we get another short here. We'll take another short. We close good. All right, we're in. We're gonna look for our little scalp. Stop above the highs here. Don't want to give it too much room. See if we get our 13 points here. Just build some drawdown. All right, pulling back. But yeah, once it breaks this high, I don't want to stay in it. So. It looks like we're going higher again. All right, stopped here. Yeah, I'll take one more trade, but then I'm gonna call it. But yeah, this was definitely the better setup here. Just was stuck in the other trade. Well, I hope it's gonna go higher now at least. If we just get wicked out here and it still goes lower, that's pretty annoying. Sean, where does it say he's gonna speak? I don't see it on Forex Factory. Ooh, do not do that. Wicked us out here, still holding. Yeah, I'm gonna give it one more try. If we get a good entry here. Oh, there's something. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, we're gonna take another short here. Into the lows. I mean, we kind of have this double top here. Still downtrending. See if we get some momentum. Oh, when is he speaking? It's inversion long. Well, I don't know, Juno. We're gonna find out together. Could be. Could be. Yep, gonna get stopped here. Alrighty. Well, it adds up on the NQ. Like, you're down a lot if you have like 2 losing trades. What do we do? Man, if this wicks me out now and goes lower still, this is super annoying. You missed 2 trades. Oh, you wanted to take longs? So. Just don't know if I want to go long here, Juno. I don't know. But you might be right. I don't know. Just don't like trading counter trend. So. But yeah, we're gonna try it a little bit longer. I mean, or worst case, we're just gonna blow the account. I mean, you might be right. You might be right. Well, maybe I'm gonna listen to you. Maybe I will. Alright, I mean, they closed pretty good. Might just let it play out. Could also be that I'm too late now. I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna be more aggressive now. I mean, it's hard to recover at one point if you have too many losses in a row. So. Okay, getting some points here in profit. So we're not gonna get caught in Trump speaking. I still can't find it. Can't find it. Nope, I can't find it. Oh, we got like 5 points of profit here. Now we're turning again. I'm just gonna let it play out. I'm gonna go make some lemon water. I mean, we have our stop stat. Worst case, we have a loss here, and then we have one more try to save the account. All right, give me just a second. Are you kidding me? Well, Juna, look, that's what I get for Well, okay, now we're just gonna YOLO it, I guess. That's what I get for... Well, I said the trend is still low, still down. Is what it is. Yeah, I might lose the account here any second. How much drawdown we have left? 200, so 10 points. No, I'm kidding. I mean, I'm the one who did it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm just joking. But anyways, let me get my water. What happened? Did it work? Oh, it did. Well, just should have stayed short, I guess. India loves you. I appreciate that. Laugh back to India. I mean, guys, I don't know. We're just gonna YOLO it. Like I said, at this point, it doesn't really matter. You can also see a balance here. Nope, there it is. Yeah, do not copy what I do. Do not copy. We're being super aggressive here. But sometimes this is just the way to do. Okay, we're back. This is the good old all or nothing strategy. Let's see. I mean, we're not even down too much now. I mean, it doesn't even look that bad. I mean, if we get our target here, this is not bad. But yeah, worst case, we lose this account. But yeah, Juna, I was kidding. You know, I mean, I'm the one who enters the trade. It's not you. Don't worry. Don't mind. I would have went long anyway, so. Do not worry. I mean, if you give our target here, if we get our target, I might just call it. Or we could just double down 2 contracts instead of 1. Just to make it a little bit more interesting. Let's see if we can get there. Right. Well, not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, what do? We keep going lower? I have no idea. Maybe it's gonna be a huge sell-off. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep chasing it until it actually reverses. I mean, at one point we just gotta pull back. So. Also right on a level here. Yep, might bounce here. I mean, we just need to hope Trump is gonna say something that helps the market to go lower. Let's hope Trump is gonna do something good. I mean, the good thing is it's only Apex accounts. They're gonna deny me anyways. I'm not gonna get my money. They're gonna deny me and force me to trade more anyway, so whatever. But yeah, we could have had a pretty decent day. Pretty decent day. Just messed it up at the beginning. Let me wash my fingers. They're a bit sticky from the lemon. You have 140 left. Oh no. Oh no. I mean, do we double down? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I don't even care anymore. We're in 2 now. I mean, the account could really blow super fast now. It is what it is, Juna. It's the Apex account, so who cares? I mean, who knows? Maybe we get lucky here. It goes lower and we actually end the day with some good profit. See, there we go. Look, now we're up. All right. Hey Salim, how are you? Oh, we're good. We're just having some fun. We're having some fun. It's a weird day, but I mean, it's so stupid. You shouldn't be rewarded for that, for just going all in. Stop caring. But I mean, it worked out. All right, this is the update for today. Let me make sure you all see that. So this account we're down 233. Then this one was where we had the only normal trade, I would say, where we actually followed our rules. And this one we're up as well. So I don't know. We're up, but it feels like a weird day. Damn, now we're going lower. Should have held it. How can I start trading? I mean, you can start with your own money or using prop firms, whatever you feel comfortable with. But I would always recommend don't buy a course. Never buy a course. It's not worth it buying courses. Just try to watch some videos on YouTube, some free tutorials, get some basics in. Excuse me. And then, yeah, just look at the charts by yourself. But don't spend money on courses. Don't do that. It's all bullshit. Well, Juna, look at this. If I held it here, we would have been up like 800 or something. This is what it is. What is the first step I should take to trading? Watch some videos about it. And then you can get free paper accounts. I think on TradingView, you can trade for free. Yeah, but just sit in front of the computer. Don't spend money on courses and stuff. And just get like a feeling of the market. And also try to figure out, okay, what would be interesting for you. I mean, there's so much to trade. There's like Forex, there's futures, there's crypto, there's stocks, like options. You just have to figure out, okay, what is the best for you. But yeah, we're trading futures here and prop firms. So, all right, Juna, did you save the account? Did you save your account? I mean, mine is saved. Mine is saved. But the 100%, they're gonna deny me. They're gonna deny me on the payouts here. I can tell you already. There's no shot they're gonna approve me. I mean, we're DCA'd into it. We just no ifs. Yeah, that's right. There's no ifs. But if they approve me, I would be so surprised now. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get ready for work. I appreciate everyone who's always tuning in into the streams. Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Yeah, I will be back on Monday. I hope everyone else is green on the day. I mean, we had a pretty funny day, I would say. But yeah, overall we're green. That's the most important. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend. Take some day off. Spend some time with your family. That's always important. And if you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. It's free to join. It's just for us to hang out and yeah, share your trades, your entries, your P&L, whatever you want to share. All right, guys. I see you all on Monday. Have a good rest of your day, and I catch you all on Monday. Peace. Make sure to like the stream on your way out. Don't forget that. It's important. All right, guys. Appreciate you all. See you on